Everything you're watching right now is AI. The voice, the face, these hand movements. None of this is a camera, including me. And the story behind how I got here is honestly weirder than the video itself. Do you remember this? March 2023. Someone asked an AI model to generate a video of Will Smith eating spaghetti, and it gave us this nightmare. The face melting, fingers merging with the fork, spaghetti teleporting in and out of his mouth. The internet lost it. It became the meme that defined AI video, the proof that machines could never, ever look real. It got so big that the actual Will Smith made a parody of it a year later, the real one, mocking the AI one. And back then, I was one of the people laughing. I remember thinking, okay, fun toy. But this is decades away from anything usable. Then things started moving. In 2023, Runway and Pika made clips that were blurry, but coherent. You could tell what you were looking at. Early 2024, OpenAI showed Sora, and for the first time, the internet went quiet instead of laughing. Real lighting, real textures, still no sound, still weird hands sometimes. But the direction was obvious. I remember all of that clearly. And that's important for this story because it's roughly the last thing I remember. A month ago, I had an accident. I woke up in a hospital in Finland with retrograde amnesia, and around 18 months of my memory just gone. Work projects, life events, and every single AI release in that window. Think about what that means. You watched this technology improve gradually, one announcement at a time, week by week, and your brain adjusted. Me? I went to sleep in a world where AI video was silent, gluey clips. And I woke up in a world where this, what you're watching, is normal. 18 months of progress hit me in one single night. Here's what happened while my memory was on vacation. AI video got sound. Google's VO started generating video with native audio, voices, footsteps, ambient noise, all synced and generated together. Sora got a second version. Chinese models like Kling caught up fast. Physics stopped breaking, water splashes correctly, hair moves correctly, hands finally have 5 fingers. And the one that hit me personally, avatars. Tools like HeyGen reached the point where one photo plus one audio file gives you, well, me, gesturing, blinking, pausing naturally. When I first saw a demo after the accident, I genuinely thought it was a filmed person. So the first thing I did as a developer, I rebuilt myself. Here's the exact pipeline, no secrets. Step 1, one good photo taken in my studio. Step 2, my voice. I uploaded a few minutes of my real recordings to 11 Labs, and it cloned me, tone, accent, everything. Step 3, the script, written by me with AI in my own words. Step 4, HeyGen takes the photo and the audio and animates all of it. Lips, eyes, these gestures. Now the numbers, because I promised honesty on this channel. This whole pipeline costs me around $50 a month. Compare that to a traditional YouTube setup: camera, lights, mic, editing time, reshoots when you mess up a sentence. Easily thousands up front, plus hours per video. I write, I press generate, and I show up every time. Same energy, no bad hair days. But here's the catch nobody talks about. In a recent study, only 0.1% of people could reliably detect AI-generated faces. 0.1. That's exactly why platforms are reacting. YouTube now labels realistic AI content, and creators are required to disclose it. I'm not waiting to be forced. This is AI, I'm telling you in the first 8 seconds, and every video on this channel will say it clearly. The technology is the easy part. Trust is the whole game. I'm Wael, the real one wrote every word. The AI one delivered them. On this channel, I'll break down how to automate your work, your content, and eventually your income with real tools and real numbers. No hype. Subscribe if that's your thing. And tell me in the comments, at what second did you realize I wasn't real? Be honest.